Pinky Piggy LPS. Enjoy the video. Kids, we're home. Dad, it's obvious. Yeah, Dad. You're 5. I'm 16. Whatever. How did you do that? Look, all I can do is that. Stop spinning around, kids. Maybe it's because I'm older and I have more experience. No, ouchie, that hurt. I can do a sit-up. See, I can do it because I'm awesomer and yeah. No, maybe it's because I'm awesome and better and older. Kids, your friends are coming over. You have to get ready. She's not a friend. Well, he's a friend to me. He's my boyfriend. What? No. He is literally just your friend. You are way too young for that little one. Psst. I'm not your boyfriend. I'm just your friend. He even said it. Ma'am. She is my girlfriend. I am your girlfriend. Exactly. Okay, everyone get their stuff. Right. Ew, it's not mine. Ew. Which one's mine? I'll show you. This is yours. That's all? Just a marshmallow on a weird little looking stick? Really? Yep, that's it. Yep, that's it. Are you kidding me? Fine, I guess this is what I get. For me and my friend to do the whole entire time. He only gets a thermal stab even more. What? He gets... Wow. He gets 3 and I get 1? Totally not fair. Wait, he gets more? Okay, that's not fair. Wait, why is he going back over there? He gets 1. Okay, this is definitely the last one. Nope, there's more. There's 2 more things. He gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things, and I get 1. Yep. Actually, I get 8 things. There's still more. Marshmallow? Yeah, but there's more. Peanut butter. Bread? Peanut butter to put on his bread? Soda? Yeah. And a whole bunch of popcorn. All mine. That's all I get. And he gets all that. I'll go set it up. There. All set up. I guess I'll just wait for my friend now. time for me to set up. Okay, I'm all set up. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. I'll get it. Speedy, I got it. Oh man, okay. You only get one thing and he gets all of this? I know, right? It's crazy. It's because this is his girlfriend. You two are just friends. Oh, man. So I guess all we can do is really talk and eat that one marshmallow. You can have it. I just took one bite. Okay, so how was your weekend? How was your weekend so far? Good, I guess. Ding dong. Hi, Liam. I'll be in my room if any of you need me. Hopefully they have fun. Come on in. I love you, babe. I love you too. Jerry. What do you want to do first? I can play the guitar. Luckily, I have the guitar right here. Do you think it was good? It was wonderful, babe. And look at these. Look at these pictures. I'll eat this. I'll eat the popcorn with you. Sure. I love you. As a friend, right? As a friend. As a friend, yeah. Alright. Are you kids having fun? Yeah. Yep. They all lived happily ever after. You want that one? Pinky Piggy LPS is done. Pinky Piggy LPS is done. One more time. Pinky Piggy LPS is done. One more time. Pinky Piggy LPS is done.